This 2022 Grand Design Momentum 399TH is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your theater seats and dinette. Across from this is your kitchen. Here you have a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. The highlight of this floor plan is the side porch, which has a sliding glass entry door. Out on the porch is an exterior TV with 2 exterior speakers. Moving into the back, you'll find your garage. There are 2 couches that can convert into a bed, as well as a dedicated bed above that, all of which is on an electric lift. Coming back to the living room, make note of your entertainment center with a flat screen TV and a fireplace. Above this is a multimedia head unit and your touchscreen control panel, which controls various functions such as your generator and lights. In the front of the trailer is your master bedroom with a queen-size bed. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.